Running a customization business can branch out through many paths, but what should you avoid in getting started and keeping your business running healthy? Thankfully for everybody, we have a seasoned veteran. We got Big Brandoh in the house, and he's gonna share some advice. Thanks for joining us.
Appreciate that. So first thing I would say is work within your budget. A lot of people, what they start to do is feel they need to go out and take loans out, max out credit cards, and work outside of their budget. Save your money, spend your money wisely, and you can always upgrade your equipment later.
Dude, I love that. I think that's like super valuable advice. What would you say about maybe like the customers, like working with customers? What are some like don'ts? Like, don't do this with your customers.
All right, first thing I would start out with is make sure you have a good working relationship with that customer. All money is not good money. You got to make sure that you have a good working relationship because there has to be some sort of interaction before you take on that job. And you don't want to work with somebody that's going to give you a ton of headaches and you're doing all this work and it's only going to equate to a little bit of money.
What are some things people can do to avoid overworking themselves, burning out, or just putting in way too much work for little return?
Yeah, so first thing is time management is everything in this business. A lot of people think that the job is going to be done really quick, but knowing your process, knowing your equipment, knowing how you work is going to be able to dictate how much money you're making and what to charge the customer. A lot of times people feel they're going to take in every job because they don't want to turn away work. But like I said, all money is not good money. Sometimes you're going to spend 10, 15 hours on one job for a $20 t-shirt. That breakdown is going to be the worst.
So you're basically paying yourself below minimum wage.
That's exactly
at that point. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. All right, one more question. Do you got any personal advice, any parting words for anyone, things to avoid with their businesses?
So for myself, the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to know who you're going to be selling to, who you're going to be working for, the services you're going to provide. Be comfortable and confident in your own services because your customer is going to pick up on that right away. If you feel a little wishy-washy about what you're offering, your customer is going to know that right away and your customer will walk all over you. Remember that you're the owner of this business and you have to remember that what you say goes. If they don't like it, they can always go to the next person. Do not be afraid to turn away the work.
Man, spoken like a genius. All right, Brandoh, where can people find you online?
You can check me out on YouTube at Big Brandoh or follow me on Instagram, Big Brandoh TV.
And while you're at it, you can also check out Heat Press Nation. You can like and subscribe here on YouTube, but we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, so be sure to check us out. Brandoh, dude, thank you so much for joining us, man.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you.